Should we go to try out the street food?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I want to try this one.
One of the best ones we've ever had.
Yeah, right.
Barbecue. Where are you from? I have Now what's your life? Like maybe try that maybe a little bit Moroccan food.
How about a little mix of the kebab? $1 dirham. Dude.
Tongue is tongue. Tongue, chicken head, roast meat, cow breast, brain.
We are Lucy and Mark, and this is our van Tubi. After traveling for 4 years in over 30 countries, we came to Morocco for a complete van makeover. Last time we took an unusual challenge.
Today, we are gonna camp in IKEA!
But we got an unwelcome late night visit.
Unfortunately, the security guard came up to me.
And dealt with some unfriendly locals.
What the hell?
But in the end, we made it. Well, kind of. What's wrong, Lucy?
커피를 내놓거라.
After breakfast, we are off to Marrakesh for an even crazier adventure. You good?
Oh,
Yes, Sunny. Your sunglasses on.
you are late.
Alright, ready to go?
Alright guys, we haven't done the oil change for a long time. I mean, kilometer wise is pretty good because during the COVID and lockdown we didn't drive that much.
The time we changed it was in
Yeah,
more than a year.
more than a year. So we gotta change it today. We saw it right before we leave the IKEA, so like let's do it. And if we are not gonna do it, we are gonna be bothered all the time. So yeah, we found the garage here.
Our bent pan. So black.
Engine oil is done. TV is happy and Mark is happy too.
Very happy.
Okay, let's go. Good. Snacky time. The neck time입니다. 저는 뒤에서 먹을 거예요. 마크는 앞에서 먹고.
I got my yogurt right here. Truck stop.
잘 먹고 싶습니까? You ready to go?
It's not too bad here though, like you are sitting back there, right? I like how comfortably that scooter's just sitting there in the wrong lane.
맞아.
Yeah, I'm here, so what?
우리가 갔던 모로코랑 진짜 다른 느낌이다, 맞지?
Even if there are streets like this, it's a real mixture between like the local market and like the upscale ones, like right next to each other, right? But
Yeah.
here is mostly just all upscale.
여기는 스쿠터가 진짜 많다.
Yeah, a lot of scooters here.
This scooter.
Oh. See you guys. I feel like every time I go around the roundabouts, it's like Russian roulette.
그래, 마라케시 한 번 보는 거로 이제 충분할 것 같다 아니야.
Woohoo! We made it!
Guys, we are waiting in front of the parking lot over 10 minutes, just passing 10
Yeah,
minutes.
maybe.
It's quite busy in here. It's amazingly busy. Today is a
Saturday,
Saturday.
yeah.
I think that's the reason why. Hopefully we can find a spot and we can stay. Now I'm kind of anxious, you know.
Staying overnight?
Wait, one night? Must be 110 euro.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, we got in.
Where are we now?
We're in Marrakesh.
And if you can hear the song background, it is not a song, it is a pray time. It was a long day, long drive. We are gonna have a beer and then we're gonna go to that famous lamb restaurant Mark wanted to go for a long time. We're gonna go there too. We are heading to the Medina. Right in front of me there's a so beautiful mosque, Qurtubiyya Mosque, and 12th century mosque, and has a garden.
So let's typically cross first.
Oh, cross. 아저씨 따라가야겠다. 아저씨 따라가야겠다. 안 되는데. 진짜 현지 아저씨 따라가야지. 게 진짜 최고야. So we are finding the place we go, and then yeah, not easy. The Morocco night is really active. There are so many things like you have to like see, and it's amazing. The reason why there are so many food and dessert, and then like catch your eyes. It's my favorite one. 저희가 디저트를 모로코 디저트를 좀 좋아해요. 약간 저희한테 맞다고 해야 되나? 그리고 이 식당에 거의 다 와갑니다. Like in the videos, olive. Korea. Olives look so good. So we arrive here.
없대 지금.
Oh no.
Alright.
Oh, I'm sorry,
We'll
Ania.
come back tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
You tell the bad news?
No, I didn't tell them.
They're finished. They stopped serving at 5. Started at 12 and they stopped at 5.
Tomorrow we have to come, right? So we gotta find a place that we can eat, right?
We go to try out the street food.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I want to try this one.
Can I try one? And one vegetable?
Shukran. Salama. Yay, I got it. I love this one. You cannot miss it.
Is it good? It's one of the best ones we've ever
Yeah,
had.
right. 젠마 엘프나 광장에 왔습니다. 여기는 그 약간 여기 같은 경우에는 거리 음식을 많이 팔아요. 마크 걸렸어.
From Korea.
Korea, hamdahabida.
감사합니다.
Barbecue. Where are you from?
South Korea.
Korea. Nice people. Welcome home. Welcome home. Come to Piction. Only Piction for my village.
아 미치겠네.
Lamb chops, lamb skewers, fish, calamar, shrimp, merlot,
Okay.
sauce. I have kosu.
Alright. Okay, barbecue.
Good
Ah,
fish, danchia.
Ah, that's it, right?
Cheers, guarantee, no diarrhea. Cheers. Sit down. Okay, Arkiji.
I was hoping that we could get in at least like 10 or 20 meters, but
No way. That's
yeah, this is like the
impossible.
second restaurant we saw in the group.
I cannot change bread, okay?
That is hot bread. That you cannot touch.
Oh wow.
That is good. Sorry, that you cannot eat with bread.
Oh, okay.
Chili sauce for man,
man.
olives for woman. Sweet for sweet, chili for chili.
Okay.
You like maybe green meat, something, yeah? Barbecue. Come with me, come with me.
You go.
Okay.
Now what you like? You like maybe try it maybe a little bit Moroccan food?
How about a little mix of the kebab?
Mix grill, something?
Yeah. How much? How much is all this?
Sorry, I give you card and you can
Okay.
sit down.
So I was over there. I was kind of confused, and then like I told Mark to like do it for me, and then he's like picking up the menu right now. He's having a little bit of a hard time. It's funny though. What did you order?
One skewer, mixed skewer, one of the calamari and shrimp, one couscous. And that's it. He wanted to do 2 couscous,
Oh no
2
no.
mixed skewers.
Too much. Too big.
This is the couscous.
Oh nice.
It's not the best couscous.
We tried Amy's mom's couscous.
Okay, it's a little bit bland. Ordering is not that easy. You have to basically stop him from over ordering for you. If you can do that, no problem. How much? 1 dirham. Can you do?
Sure, charge you.
You have it. Hi.
What's your name? Khadija.
Hashida.
Oh, really good.
Thank you, Misty. Yeah, welcome. Shukran.
It's okay, fine now? Good.
Perfect.
Are you
Thank
happy?
you. Yes. Koji. Yachi Koji. So, Koji. Couscous is done.
It's good. Happy.
One calamari shrimp. Yeah. One.
Good.
And bread and spices.
Bread and spices.
Not pay for bread and spices.
Alright.
Here is standard. Smile. Are you happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Smile for your camera.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Thank you. My number is 4. Don't forget my number.
Alright.
See you later. Nice to meet you. Have a nice time.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later, Salama.
I thought I would get a bit ripped off, but he didn't really. But then he said he was going to charge us for the hot sauce and olives. I bet he would have charged us if I didn't yell.
We already know.
We just did.
Yeah.
Okay, what is this?
Next
Picture
time.
is good.
Oh, tongue, dude.
Tongue is tongue. Tongue, head, roast meat, cow breast, brain, tongue here.
Dinner time.
5.
Dinner time. We'll be here. All right.
Hi. Shukran. Salama.
Well done.
음식을 먹고 나면 번호를 기억해 주는 게 나을 것 같아요. 왜냐면 계속 먹으라 그러거든요.
벨리 댄스 하는 거야?
하는 거 같은데?
안 하는 거 같은데?
돈 내라는데?
Thank you, Shukran.
Oh, we already have it.
Thank you. No, we gave him already.
완전? 야, 지금 다 털리겠다, 여기 있으면.
Oh, we just got here. We didn't even hear any music.
퍼포먼스 하는 거 보면 와서 돈 달라고 계속 그래요. 1초 후에 또 다른 사람 와가지고 결국 코인 다 털렸습니다. Okay, we are heading back to TV.
Actually, we're just heading aimlessly right now.
We don't know where we are going. But it was quite nice, right?
Yeah.
It was like,
A bit chaotic.
but it was a fun too.
Now we're
Right.
really in the local area.
Yeah, alright.
Simple breakfast today, cereal. Files are transferring. Lucy,
네,
what are we doing today?
오늘 양고기 먹으러 가야 돼. You're gonna be so upset for sure.
Does that mean you don't want to go?
아니, 갈 수는 있는데 그냥 네가 하도 가고 싶어 하니까 가는 거지.
Alright, let's see if they can guess who's eating the cornflakes and who's eating the choco balls. Leave it in the comments.
Hania, where are we going?
Going back up to the Medina.
Because of his favorite lamb dish he wanna try.
Yeah.
So we are gonna go up there and then try the lamb. Let's go. There's a mosque in the morning time. Today in the morning is a quite different atmosphere. I can see more, right, stuff today. Because yesterday, I don't know, we were focusing on the food.
Yeah.
But today, I can see so many souvenirs.
Lots of stuff
Yeah,
today.
just like eye-catching all the time.
They're covering the market with old kind of advertisements for the electronic shops and stuff, but it makes a really cool look, I think. Yeah, here it is. We made it. Guys, we are here for the Tree de Four. Does it come with bread?
Bread, yeah.
Okay, let's just get that one then. And can we get a Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola, yeah.
Yeah. Two Coca-Colas. Yeah, thank you. We're here because we saw this on some show, right?
David Jung. He's a Korean-American chef in America. So
Yeah.
he came to Marrakesh to tour some area, but they have the oven, like pit. Over there. Yeah.
Oh, is it over there? Shukran. Oh, 이렇게 많네. Wow. Shukran.
Sold in common.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. That's huge.
Oh my God.
I think, I'm pretty sure this is probably the best lamb I've ever seen in my life.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, it's just kind of.
So are you happy now? 맛있다. 180원 맞나?
No way this can be that cheap. If it is, man, I'm coming here again tomorrow. Basically, like on the back side, you can see the rib there. Rip this part off. Oh, look at that. Oh, I've had soft meat before, but this is like literally melt in your mouth.
오븐의 힘인가 보다.
Oh my god, it's so good. Wow.
안 왔으면 후회할 뻔했네.
Oh, so good. I've finally gotten over New Zealand. For those who don't understand that one, watch our New Zealand episode. If you were to rate this 1 to 10, what would you say? No question, it's gotta be a 10.
I cannot eat anymore. And Mark is in heaven right now. He's eating by himself that huge dish.
Little meat,
And fat.
a little bit of fat, salt.
honey, 애인 생겼어? You have a cat allergy, but cat is love you. Love you so much. Guys, we are done with our meal. It was really great and fantastic. Mark loved it.
Amazing, absolutely amazing.
So the price of the meal, how much was it?
205 dirham, which is a steal. I'm thinking to stay one more night, just come back tomorrow. We have like all this leftover too.
Yeah.
We didn't even come close to finishing.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it with the dinner.
You too.
Yeah, you too. They wanna know our YouTube.
This is us here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye. 자, 그럼 이제 가보도록 하겠습니다.
Cosi coso Tangier